appreciate you installing the spring. It's actually a dangerous piece of business. Stay clear. This thing, if it shoots out, it'll probably go across the room. Comes out, dude. You better watch out. Maybe just a little spring when you spread it out to fit. Seriously, if the thing shoots out, it's gonna knock your head off. Alright. Oh my gosh, you got heavier. Which way? Your way. No, come on. Transmission guy? No, but I'm going to get anyway. This is actually the transmission we're using.